everyone, so I'm back with another tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll be telling you what is JavaScript and we'll write some basic code for JavaScript. And yeah, I'm starting a new series known as the JavaScript series. So in this series we'll be learning how to code JavaScript and create some basic programs and websites using JavaScript. So let us first understand what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So HTML, for example, I'll give you just an example of our body. So in our body we have bones. So that is known as the HTML. Means first you need a basic structure for a website. So that can be the bones. Then you need some styling for a website. So that is our skin and basically all the looks that we need to look good. And then lastly comes JavaScript. So we also want that our body can move and do some actions, like pick up an object, run, move, etc. So that is JavaScript, and JavaScript is used to make our website work dynamically. So that is what JavaScript is used. So let us first learn how you can link your file and then how you can write code in JavaScript. So same, just exclamation mark, enter, and you get this code. And if you have not watched my HTML and CSS videos, please go watch it. It will help you a lot. After this, you getting the script tag. Now you might wonder, what does this script tag mean? It means that you can write JavaScript code here, but we are not going to write it here because it's just one method. But the second method is writing it in a new file. So here it will be a lot of chaos. That's why we are not writing it here. Give a source, then give your file's name, script.js. Suppose my file's name is this. So in CSS we used to do link, reel sheet, then source, but here we're just doing script source. So now let us check if our file has linked. I'm going to be writing one line and then I'll explain you the meaning. What does this line do? Yeah, so I've written my name here, and you can see that I'll refresh this. You can see that my name has come. So now what this line does of JavaScript, I'll explain. So the console means basically it's a part of our website. Like in earlier videos, we used to inspect and see where the mistake is. So there are basically lots of sections, like there's elements, console, sources, network. So in this video we are going to explore console. So you can see that console is also a section. Now you can see my name written over here because I have typed console.log. So I'm logging something on the console. So for example, if Achintya, I can remove it and type 2341. You can see that this thing will come. So you can see it has come here because I have said it console.log, and this line is used to log something on the console, basically any number or a string, basically anything you want to log on the console, you can do it. And another way is also that you can log it in your screen, that we'll be learning later. So for now this is used. This is the console, and then you can sources, network is there, and then console. You can just type a lot. I'll just show you one more thing, like console.log. Then if I want to enter a number 2, 3, yeah, you can see this is a number. So now I'll just tell you one thing, remove this part, and I'll just tell you how to insert numbers and strings in console. So basically you might think that is the same way that we do, but there is a slight difference. You can see that when I insert a string, I put double quotes and then type the string. And if I do the same thing with the number, it will happen as well. No error will come. You can see that this is the normal way how it is logged on the console. But now you can see one difference. When I've logged it without the double quotes, its color comes as purple over here, and at the console it comes blue. So this indicates that it's a number. So I'll just show you how it is a number. So let me go here, console.log, and yeah, I'll just show you one thing, console type of 23. You'll see it's a number. Type of 23 is a number, and whereas I type of my name, Achintya, and then close this, it will show as it's a string. So if you want to insert number, you have to not give any double quotes, so it will take it as a string. And now if I try to show you what I do with the strings, it will show me as a string. It is, you can see that double quote, then 2, 3, and you can see that it shows me this is a string. So that's why if you want to insert a number, insert it without double quotes, so that will make it a number. And you can also add numbers in the console like 2 plus 2, and it will show you the result. Like, okay, I'll just comment these all out. Wait a minute. Yeah, so you can comment code also like this if you want that code to work, but not now, later, so you can comment it out. You can see that 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. You can add any number, not only one digit number, you can add any number you want. Suppose 100 plus 100 plus 100. You can add 3 times number, then you can add any time number you want. You can see that here 300 has come. So this way you can add when you can do multiplication, subtraction and division in the console. I'll just show you, and I'll just remove this code, we don't need it. So this is the addition. Now I'll show you the subtraction. Console.log subtraction. So here, suppose 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is of course going to be 2. You can see that the answer is here. And then multiplication is also there. Suppose you want to multiply some number. Console.log multiplying some number. Suppose 3 into 23. Like this. You will get the result as well. And here the cross doesn't work. You need to give this star. If you give it a cross, it will take it as a string. So you can see, I'll type here 23 into, and it shows me another thing, XML document. So here shift plus 8, you get the star, and then you can multiply anything you want. So you will get this. And now let's talk about division. So division also you can do. Suppose 5 divided by 2. You can basically do like this, and you'll get a 2.5. And yeah, you have to give this semicolon outside, not inside. 2.5 you can see, and then you can put 5 here, and you will get the answer 1. So like this you can add up numbers in the console also. And so that is it for this video, and hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and the second tutorial is coming tomorrow, and stay tuned. Bye bye.